Good day guys, in this video we'll show you how to fix Epic Games error II E1003. The fix is pretty simple. Just on your keyboard go ahead and press the combination of buttons Windows plus R like this. Then it will bring up this run window. In here type in %, then local app data and %. Go to this folder, and in here if you have the Epic Games folders, let me see if I have them. No, I don't have them. I don't have Epic installed on this system. So if you have them installed, you will have multiple folders that will start with Epic. So just go ahead and delete them. And this will work. You will just pretty much delete the config files and settings files that might be broken. Then when you launch your Epic, they will regenerate and this error should go away. That's it guys. Enjoy the fix. If this helps, don't forget to like and subscribe.